Hey guys, welcome back. This is Ben from Bold Slate. We do marketing for electricians, plumbers, and HVAC companies. And we've prepared this guide for you to help you understand what SEO is and to give you all the information you would actually need to do this yourself if you decide not to work with an agency. So this guide is actually free and available on our website. Just go to guides.boldslate.com. You can also go to the link in the description below and get this for free. And basically, this is a comprehensive guide to help you understand SEO. So the first slide in this is going to be talking about why SEO is important, and that's because our society is now digital. Most homeowners are going to be using Google to find your services, over half, right? At least half. So that's only going to go up with time, and if you're not showing up on Google, you have no chance to compete and get the lion's share of the jobs. So you really want to have your SEO dialed in to rank high on Google. Let's talk more about what you should actually have before you begin this journey. You want to make this easy for yourself and organize all the things that you need when you're making your profiles, you're getting backlinks, all that stuff. You want to have all these things handy. So this is a slide going into where you can actually rank on Google. The first place are ads, Google guaranteed ads, also called local service ads. These ones you pay per call, you pay per booked appointment. Down below here, 11% of clicks go to the pay-per-click ads, also called PPC. These are going to be website ads that are showing up for certain keywords, and you pay whenever a customer or anybody really clicks on the website. Next, we have Yelp results. This is also the first organic search result, but Yelp is going to be on every single search that's like electrician near me or plumber near me, so you can't really beat these guys for the most part. Then we have the map pack. This is what I would say is the fastest and most easy place to rank, especially if you have a good strategy to get new reviews. So we cover getting new reviews later on in the guide, but this is a place where you're ranking your Google business profile. And it's not that hard to do if you put a few months of work into this, getting reviews, responding to reviews, optimizing your description, adding your services, the whole shebang. We cover more of that later on in the guide. Next up, we've got people also ask. These are questions you can answer maybe in a blog post, maybe right there on your homepage, and you can answer questions and show up, but that's not really the most important part. The most important part are these organic website results. 44% of people who search something like electrician near me will usually end up clicking on one of these results. They might go to Angie's, they might go to Yelp, they might go to a website. Look at this website. This is a company in Boulder, Colorado. They're ranking first for this term. So think about how Yelp gets all their leads to sell you, or how Angie's gets all their leads to sell you. It's because they're ranking on all these searches. So if you can just cut out the middleman, now you're saving a lot of money on ads. We have Google ranking factors by percentage. So this is going to be, we're categorizing a few different things here, like your website right there, which is the most important. Next up is your Google business profile, making sure that's optimized. Then we have backlinks going to your website, which are basically links from another website going to your website. This signals to Google that your website has authority when somebody else is saying, hey, we're linking to these people because we trust them. Then we have reviews, also very important. Get as many reviews as you can. Ask every single customer, and I'll show you how to do that later on in this guide. Citations are basically instances of your name, address, and phone number appearing on the internet. So there's lots of places you can get these for free and pretty quickly. For example, Yelp, Nextdoor, Angie's. These are all citation websites where basically directories of businesses displaying information. So Google wants to see as many instances of your business name appearing in the same fashion as many times as possible. So always include the same business name, address, phone number, and website link as well. These other factors you can't really influence. These are like personalization. Basically, if I search electrician near me and I always click on Yelp, it might start showing me Yelp more often than other people. So you can't really control those things. So we've got a website optimization. Of course, this is the most important thing according to this case study by Bright Local, a very reputable SEO company. They're a software company for local SEO. These are some steps, some things you must do on your website to have a good shot of ranking on Google. Have your main keyword and H1 tag on homepage. What this basically means is, I'll pull up one of our demo websites here. So basically this means you want to have your main keyword, which is usually electrician in service area or plumber in service area, HVAC installation in service area. This is an H1 tag. So when you're building your website, you can choose what headers are what class. So this is an H1 class. It's the highest priority header. Google usually reads the H1 before anything else to determine what a page is about. So we can keep going. Embed Google Maps onto your website. If you go to your Google Business profile, you can embed your maps onto your actual website. So let me keep going here. Make sure you have Google Analytics set up so you can actually track how many website visitors you're getting. And also Google Search Console will tell you what keywords you're actually showing up for and how many clicks you're getting from that. So you can actually track the performance of your website, of your SEO that way. Next step is to create specific service pages. These are mostly opportunities to rank on Google. So I'll show you some of these service pages we have. Let me go back up here. For example, let's say EV chargers, right? And let's say our main service territory is San Bernardino, California. So if somebody searches EV charger installation in San Bernardino, California, I can guarantee you it's not a very competitive keyword. It should be very easy to rank for that. So if we have a page that targets this keyword specifically and gives some good information about it, we have a high chance of ranking for that keyword, especially once we have backlinks to our website and our website is ranking well for other terms as well. Okay, location pages, kind of the same theme, but these list more of your services, and you might have a location page for each service area. For example, if you do Irvine, California, Tustin, California, and Costa Mesa, you could have different location pages for each of those. Next is blog content. You want to have your website fresh with new content at least once per month, and try to make this locally relevant in some way. So maybe you're covering a local event that just happened. Just try to have fresh content that actually gets indexed. Now we have optimization of your Google Business profile. I'm not going to go too much into this. If you want the guide, it's very simple to get it. Description, link in the description below. Now we've got updates to your Google Business profile. These are not blog posts. These are almost like Facebook posts that go on your Google Business profile. Basically, in the same way that blog posts help your website stay fresh, these updates to your Google Business profile help your Google Business profile appear active. On to the next part, we've got building your citations. I have a whole separate video on building citations as well as a list of the top citations to get. But basically, these citations are websites like Nextdoor, Yelp, Better Business Bureau, Manta, and even Facebook. You want to have maybe 100 or more of these citations that have consistent name, address, and phone number and website of your business so that Google knows, when they refer you on Google search engine, that they're very confident that your information is correct. Okay, let's move on here. So this is the way we use, this is the way we get reviews very quickly, and our customers, all of our clients have these. Basically, you tap a business card to your client's phone, it brings up a link, and basically, I have one right here actually. So this is what it looks like a little business card. You basically, once you've completed the job, you just tap it to your customer's phone. It'll pop up with a profile. Let me get mine to pop up here. Yeah, so it just opened on my phone, and basically, it's pretty hard to see that, but I've got a profile. You can save my contact information. You can leave me a review, and I'm easier to refer as well. So that's the dot card. There's a link to get one right there. We're not affiliated in any way. It's just the best solution we've found. If you want to get that review link to put on your dot profile, just go to your Google Business profile and grab the review link right there. And here's some action steps you can take to get this working. And if you want to get this done for you, because I imagine you're pretty busy, we can actually pull all this information for you on where you're currently ranking, what you need to do to rank higher, and how competitive your area is. We can do this for free for you on an online growth call. Just book this, and you can book a meeting with us to have us pull all these reports for you. And basically some information about who we are, getting more one-on-one help, and some additional video resources to help you on your journey. So if you want this guide, it's very simple to get it. Just go in the description below. You'll get pulled to this page. And as soon as you put in your first name or your email address, you're going to get an email with this whole guide I just covered. You can go through this step by step and take your time with it and start ranking higher on Google. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe for more content just like this. We're providing as much value as we can to electrical companies, plumbing companies, and HVAC companies to improve their rankings on Google and get more leads in this new digital era.